my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Boxycharm box for July, and I know it's really late already and everyone's already showed their boxes, but a couple of people told me they still wanted to see my Boxycharm unboxing, so that's why I'm doing it. So anyways, let's get to it. So I already cut the tape. This is what the box looks like. It's really pretty and it's pink inside. And here is the card. It says Boxycharm Sunshine. That's the theme of the month, sunshine. And I did get variation number 33. Okay, so anyways, the first thing in my box, it is the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes, eye mask, and it's this one right here. And I'm really excited for this because I love using eye masks. And this is an anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. And this comes with 12 pairs, so I'm super excited for this. And I do like putting these in the fridge, so once I put them on my eyes, it depuffs my eyes. So these Grace and Stella anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask retail for $21. If you guys have already tried these out, let me know what do you guys think of these. The next thing in my box, it is a color switch, and this is what it looks like. It comes in this little plastic bag, and this is a quick color switch dry makeup brush cleaner, lavish, something like that. I do have a color switch in one of my eyeshadow palettes, in the laptop palette, but I don't use it because I don't want it to get dirty and ugly. So I'm super excited that I have a separate one, and this is what it looks like. Yuck, it feels like carpet. But anyways, I'm super excited to use this with my brushes. So this Lavish quick color switch dry brush cleaner retails for $17. So I'm really happy about that too. So the next product that I got in my box, it is a Ciate London Everyday Vacay, and this is a dewy coconut setting mist. Cool. So this is what the box looks like. It's super cute with the little stars and everything, and I've never tried a setting spray by Ciate London, so I'm super excited. I can't even open it. I ripped the box, oh well. So anyways, ooh, this is really pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty decent size and it's really pretty. So I'm going to smell it. Oh my gosh, smells really good. It does smell like coconut. It smells really good. So I'm super excited to use this on my face. So this Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray retails for $22. Let me know if you guys also got this spray, and let me know if you guys got a different scent or what did you get. Okay, the next product, it is a product that I chose for this box for this month, and it is a 111 Skin or 3 Skin Pollution Defense Booster, and it's this one right here. And I actually chose this product because it said that it protected against like screen pollution or something like that, and I'm always in front of the screen. Let's see, it says providing multi-action protection against pollutants and screen emitted artificial visible light. This essential booster utilizes defenses, peptides, and antioxidants to safeguard skin from the damaging effects of daily aggressors in order to maintain a healthy complexion. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm super excited for this product. Here, let me open it up. Ooh, that's really pretty. So this is what it looks like. This 111 Skin Pollution Defensor Booster retails for $135. Holy crap, that's expensive for this teeny tiny bottle. But anyways, I'm super excited to try it out. I can't wait to see if it works. And the last product in my box is an eyeshadow palette, and here it is. It comes in bubble wrap, and it is a Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigments palette. This one right here, it's super cute. I love the packaging. And the back, you can see the colors, but I can't wait to see it in real life instead of pictures. So this is what the palette looks like. Let's take a look inside, and oh my gosh, I really like this color story. It's super pretty. It does have browns, but it only has 2 browns, so it's not that bad. I can't wait to try this out. It's so pretty. Look at that. I can't wait to try out this bright pink. like pink orange, and this purple shade right here, Fantasy World, and the shimmers, they look so beautiful. So I can't wait to play with this eyeshadow palette, so I'm super excited that I got it in this box. I think I'm going to swatch a couple of the shades here. Before I swatch them, I am going to tell you guys the name. So this one right here is called Euphoric, Pure Bliss, Photo Op, Dreamland, Turn It Up, Insta-Worthy, Vibes, On Set, Utopia, Electric, Fantasy World, and VIP Pass. And the shimmers look super pretty, and I don't know, they look like rocks. Look at that. So I think I'm going to swatch the shimmers. And maybe I'll swatch this pink one too. They feel really soft. And I'm going to swatch Utopia. Oh my gosh, this feels so satisfying. And I'll swatch VIP Pass. Okay, it feels really nice, so I can't wait to see what they look like on my eyes. Whoa, these look so pretty. Look at that. I'm super excited for this palette. They look very pigmented. I think I'm going to swatch these two shimmers right here. Okay, so the first one is really light, but the second one is really pigmented. Look at that. You can't really see this one right here. Here, let me swatch it again. It's like really light. You can barely see it. But maybe with a glitter primer, it's going to show more. So anyways, it's right there. Hopefully you guys can see it's really light. But anyways, I'm super excited for this palette. It's super pretty and I can't wait to play with it. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to do a look. So this Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette retails for $36. So I'm super happy that I have this, and I'm actually really happy with the whole box. I like everything that came in this box, and I'm really happy that I like everything because the past 2-3 boxes from Boxycharm weren't my favorite, and now I feel like I really like this box. Anyways, I will leave the total of the box on the screen if you guys want to know. Let me know in the comments below if you guys get Boxycharm, and let me know if you guys got any of the same products that I got. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.